Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Throw it away immediately. 10 reasons not to wear Crocs. Popular worldwide sandals Crocs are harmful to health. But specialists-podiatrists argue, you cannot wear crossover at all, not to mention daily use. So, the reasons to throw out the crossover and do not wear them anymore. Crocs are made from rubber, which is harmful in itself. The round sock present in this shoe disfigures even the most beautiful legs. After wearing such shoes, the heel and the crying of the foot aches. Often crocuses paint in stupid colors. They cannot be dressed for something. From such shoes there are burrs. Your feet do not breathe in Crocs. This means that such shoes are a wonderful breeding ground for fungus, infections and bacteria. From wearing Crocs deformed your foot. You cannot wear any other shoes, as this will give you pain. Crocuses can cause inflammation of the tendons. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.